Hi everybody. Okay, we got a new project here. It's a different wave in this case. It's called stock wave. It sort of give the older wave are fading away slightly, creating this sort of 3D perception or depth, 3D depth with older wave, sort of fading away slowly, which is it's alright. It's something different. Okay, so we've got lots of wire here. Not too many, but can be annoying, too noisy. Okay, so here is the sound sensor. Okay, with an adjustable pot. It's VCC, ground, and pin in. I'm using pin 2 of ESP32. This is a C3. Okay, so my pins are totally different. Some pin will work, some don't. ADC analog, the analog converter I'm using, which although is a 3.3 volt, because usually you would use an analog pin, but there are no analog pin on the ESP32, so there is an ADC. There is quite a lot of ADC, and in this case you use any, some ADC will work and some won't. So the point of these ADC is that they have a lot of noise. They have a noise pollution, and they run between 10, 12 byte. 10, 12 byte. We call bit, byte, yeah. Alright, so the other problem with this is the noisy, so that's why I show you. You can use 10 microfarad or 1 nanofarad. For example, you could put one here, okay? So remember that the short leg, it's negative, and the longer leg is positive. Okay, so you can put it in between. I shouldn't do this while it's on, but I'm not going to put it up too. Okay, so then you readjust it. All right. The other way, you can also use a ceramic one, and you can put it between. You can put it between the positive and the VCC and the ground on the 2 pins at the back. Okay. You could do like this. Let me see. Take it out. There. Okay, let's see. Is that correct? Yeah, it's correct. Put it all back. So it looks like this. Okay. But I made it smooth with the soft way, so. But this is a good idea to use it, because you have to readjust it. Okay, so it's okay. Let's have a look at the pin of the. I use pin number 2, but you can use pin number 4. Pin 3 and pin 5 are not a good performance in this case. Not sure why, but yeah. Every pin, some of these pins have different function, even if they're ADC, analog converter. Okay, here's the code, which I will post. I will post them on the YouTube site, where you can actually use it, and you can play with this. You can change it. You can use 4095, okay, this is usually for 5 volt. But I'm using 3.3 volt. And the reason why, because of this, is because of the ADC, it's between 10 and 12 bits. Okay, so there we are. Yeah, I think I spoke about everything. We'll go through. Remember to put wire begin, because I'm using pin 7 and pin 6. Now if you look at here, pin 7, 6, I put SEL and SDA because this doesn't show it. Eventually you're going to try. The other one is 20 and 21. 21 and 20 also, it's SEL and SDA. But you got to initialize with a wire begin, because it need to know which pin are you using. Otherwise, it will not initialize your screen, and you will have a blank screen, or the residual of the previous program. Any case, so, and I put 6 layers here. Jeez, my voice. And here's a wire begin, and then use the switch cap VCC. This seems to work better than any other type. Okay, so I will explain. I will put the code as I said. So here we are, and this is the way it works. Stop wave all the way down, and smooth, and then slowly okay. So you practically got to find a point where pick up the sounds sometime, probably this with this screen, but as I said, my voice is very soft, so there is no major. If you got a loudspeaker, you play music, these things, it vibrates so nicely everywhere. Yeah. So there we are. Okay, and oh, sure why I can't do it anymore. Yeah. Now it's permanently sort of moving all the time. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, looks nice actually. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Any case, if you like, give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, you know what to do. Well, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.